Do you ever feel like you're grinding, staying busy, showing homes, answering calls, but not actually building the business or lifestyle you want? I get it. Hustle will get you through 2025, but a real plan with real systems is what's going to help agents dominate 2026. The market's shifting, and the agents who win next year won't be the ones working the hardest. They'll be the ones working strategically with structure, accountability, and support. I find many agents have no business plan and they're winging it. It was said by a wise person that failure to plan is planning to fail. When you build a home, you start with blueprints and the builder follows them to build the buyer's home from the ground up. As a realtor, you need the planning and strategizing in advance so you have a clear plan and vision of how to grow your business and what success looks like. If you're an agent who wants a breakthrough year, let's talk about what it takes to make 2026 the year you build momentum, scale your business, and actually enjoy your life in the process. Number one, goals backed by math, not wishful thinking. Anyone can want to sell more homes. Very few agents know the exact number of conversations, appointments, listings, and contracts required to hit their income goal. Do you know? When you build your 2026 plan with me, we reverse engineer it. GCI goal, number of transactions, weekly activities needed, daily metrics. No more guessing, no more hoping. You'll know exactly what actions produce closings, and I'll hold you to it. I'll support you through it and give you the tools you need to make it real. Agents don't join teams for splits. They join for structure, consistency, and a path to winning. Number two, systems scale success and reduce stress. The reason so many agents feel overwhelmed is simple. They're operating from memory instead of systems. When you join my team, you plug into repeatable systems for lead follow-up and lead nurture, marketing and content creation. We give you onboarding and training, transaction management. There's accountability, coaching, and growth. If we doubled your business tomorrow, would it break or would it scale? Systems are the difference. We're going into 2026 with clean workflows, automation, support, and a playbook, and want the right agents running it with us. Number three, burnout isn't a badge of honor. Leaders protect their energy. You can work 70 hours a week and still feel behind, or you can build a business that supports your life, not consumes it. On our team, we schedule CEO time for planning and strategy, prospecting blocks to drive production, team meetings for accountability and skill improvement, personal time because burnout kills growth. This is how you build a career that lasts, not just a year that exhausts you. So 2026 is the opportunity. The question is who you'll build it with. The agents who thrive next year will be the ones who set goals with clarity, use systems instead of chaos, follow a plan instead of improvising. They plug in the support, leads, and accountability, surround themselves with growth-minded people. If you're ready to stop trying to figure everything out alone and you want to plug into a plan that helps you win in 2026 with the right systems, the right coaching, and the right team behind you, let's talk. Go ahead and schedule a confidential coaching call with me. DM me, call me, shoot me an email, use carrier pigeon, it doesn't matter, but let's talk and let me help you get your business on a winning trajectory and build your 2026 business plan. There's no obligation, but if it's the right fit, I'll show you exactly how joining our team can help you hit your goals faster and with less stress. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.